Hello, we're in Tianjin in a Holiday Inn because our flight broke.
Our plane broke.
Our plane broke. Our plane broke, and so and so I fell asleep in the airport, and Morgan played with me, and I had no idea that she was doing it, so I was doing crazy things while sleeping. And now a plane from Beijing is bringing the parts to fix our airplane because, you know, they don't just have extra airplanes hanging around, so we're
I am way over my translating abilities. They go like, Garrison goes like this. They go, and eat him. And so it's not very fun for me, but I'm having a good time because we're here in Tianjin, which I hear is like the best city to be in China. And now the other thing is I have a hotel room with Frank. So when we go up to the desk over there, I go to the desk, and the desk is like, hey, you know, you can't have a room with 3 people. Thank you. You can't have a room with 3 people. And you can only have a room with 2 people. So I give the girls the 2 room, and then they raise their hands and they're like, hey, does anyone else have, you know, a room? And then I was like, oh, well, Frank over there doesn't have a room, buddy. So me and Frank are like this now. That's right.
Do you even said a word to Frank yet, or not yet?
I said ni hao to Frank, but Frank was not feeling very friendly back. I kind of feel like we should go to the room and just see Frank and just be like, hey, Frank, what's up? And, like, be really awkward. You know, like those people that shouldn't live at your apartment that you don't want there.
Okay.
And just be in Frank's apartment.
So we're going to talk to Morgan now. Hey,
Morgan,
how are you feeling?
I want to go to Chifeng. I feel bad because May is probably, like, been waiting at the airport for hours and hours and hours. And awkward staying here. I don't know what's going on, but I did see a VW
and a Range Rover, Luke.
Yes,
we can
and
see
I figured I could go shopping for the new Jetta that I want while here. Because there's nothing else to do. And
but
I
the
want
service
to
has been pretty good.
And I feel slightly awkward that our plane is broken and they're flying in parts to fix it.
But the service has been pretty good because we
did get free lunch,
we did get free
and we are
lunch.
in a hotel for 3 hours.
And we got a hotel. In America, we would just sit there, so.
That's it.
Any closing thoughts, John? Video update. It is now 5 o'clock, and we were supposed to leave, how many hours ago? 6 hours ago. So we just all woke up.
Oh, no, sun's gone.
Sun's gone.
I want my stuff. I want face wash. I want a room that's not, like, burning. Girl.
I looked up how to say, has the airline given you a call yet?
I don't know, how do you say it?
Gong Kong Chung, ni ge da dian hua le ma? So there. Oh, and we still haven't visited Frank yet. But if we get really bored, we're going to pounce it.
Which might happen in the next half hour.
And
Second update. I turned the water on in the sink, and it was black.
I really don't have much to say.
You want to say anything?
I figured, no, everyone's waving at everyone, but I think she's waving at us.
We finally got in here. $200, a free hotel for a couple hours.
200 RMB.
2 meals. Sorry, 200 RMB.
It's been a long day.
And it's been a very long day, but we're here. And there's only Asians. No white people.
Do you think you found May? Tell us your theory about May.
So we waved.
The lady
and somebody
waved.
waved back. Therefore, it must be May. But if you'd like to take a look at all the Asians, this is the airport.
There are a lot of Asians in this aeropuerto.
This is Morgan trying to get our bags. There she is, the one little white person. Very far in there. And this is the crowd of people all trying to get their bags. The concentration is so intense, it's great. Morgan, what are we doing?
We are going to the orphanage where my brothers grew up. And I've never been this way before. Obviously, I've never been here before. I'm really, really, really excited.
Just came from breakfast.
Oh my gosh, so much food.
What did you think of breakfast,
Lots
Sean?
of
Too
nice
much
stuff.
food.
We tried sheep.
Sheep meat.
Goat meat.
Gary is definitely my favorite Mongolian friend now. He's very cool.
There's a Christian CD playing that I think my mom sent May. care package a while ago. Definitely tried some interesting things today.
And what happened when we walked into the restaurant and walked out of the
Everybody stops and turns and stares. I'm white and curly hair.
Thank goodness. I
think
think this is it. So here we go. Where's my bag?
We're playing Where in the World is the White Person today. It's kind of obvious. You can see on the curly hair right there. All the other Asians are staring at it. She also makes funny faces that Asians do. Katie, what do you have to say?
I like babies. We're gonna play with them. I'm so excited.
If you had to compare Morgan to something right now, an animal, a plant, or anything, what would you call her?
What, a little child or a zoo animal? Was that
A zoo animal? A smiling zoo animal? Look at her. Look at her smile. Look at her smile. Now we're going to go up the stairs. There's our plane. Right over there. It's still out there doing its thing like it's been doing for the past 10 hours. I think you can see. Oh, there it is. Yeah. It actually worked and flew and didn't break.
Yay!
They're all walking with us, and they're all short of us, but they're very, very cute. 你可以说英文一点，可以说英文，可以。你知道你好。
Bye.
Oh, so you don't think more about it.
再见。So we are in the pool right now playing with the kids and wait, one more.
The light's kind of weird.
Maureen's taking pictures, so she's kind of busy, but
One more. One.
I think we're gonna play musical chairs. We just played Cops and Robbers, Chinese style. Morgan, explain about our game situation.
We played
Thank you.
cops and criminals.
Uh-huh.
But I was kind of confused as to whether we're trying to decide who killed the person or who was the criminal or who was dead. I don't know.
So now we're gonna play musical chairs.
Sorry, kids are all cute, adorable. They all speak English relatively well, and they're kind of absorbed by the fact that there's Americans here in their costumes.
And they brought us a ton of gifts.
I know. And I'm taking pictures because I'm very happy.